What's up, guys? We got the Samsung Galaxy A80. It is official now with a starting price of $730. It will go on sale May 29th. So let's go ahead and jump into the specs. As we know, this is going to have that pop-up rotating camera. So this is really excellent for selfies. So this is going to take some extremely high quality selfies, which is going to be really awesome since it is using that rear camera to take it. So getting into the specs of that camera, it is a 48 megapixel f2.0 lens. Does feature the super steady mode from the Galaxy S10 for videos. You do have an 8 megapixel ultra wide camera as well. So getting into the screen, you do have a 6.7 inch Super AMOLED display. It does have a 1080 by 2400 resolution. That is a full screen display, no punch hole, so that's why this phone is so unique and so hyped up, is because it doesn't have that punch hole like the Galaxy S10. You do have a 3700 milliamp battery with 25-watt fast charging, and this phone does come with 8 gigabytes of RAM and 128 gigabytes of storage. So there is no higher capacity model, and the downside to this is there is no SD card as well. Now this phone is running Android 9 right out of the box with Samsung's One UI on it, and it does come in 3 different colors: Phantom Black, Angel Gold, and Ghost White. So very interesting phone. Be sure to subscribe for your latest tech news and videos, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.